I'm Ken Pugh, fellow consultant with Net Objectives. And we talk about acceptance test-driven development, and not to be redundant with the other acceptance tests. But basically, we talk about how acceptance tests and unit tests fall together. They're both functional tests, but one is from business-facing and the other is from the programmer's point of view and to create a better internal design. But and also how unit tests do fall from acceptance tests as far as the data goes. We gave an example of acceptance test using Fahrenheit to Celsius and getting clear on what you want the outputs to be, whether below 0 Kelvin should be an error or not. We also described how acceptance tests are not just from the end user, but if you had, say, a separate department, a separate Scrum team doing stories for, say, a GUI and they were making components, it's the responsibility of the GUI team to create acceptance tests for the components that come back to them. And so the component team can know when they are done as well. Also, we described, as suggested, when are we going to come up with these detailed acceptance tests? And the idea being that you're going to come up with them prior to actually implementing, and whether you have to front run those or not is basically dependent upon your organization and how you want to do your scheduling. But the rule is no code goes in until the test goes off. And we also have one example, a little larger example of a matching, of a retirement contribution matching, and how that a acceptance system, not just a single table, but multiple tables can play into it. Okay, thank you.